to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As we all know that India celebrates its independence on 15th of August every year. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. This is a day of remembrance and dedication to all those people who gave their life, body, mind and soul to free India. The tricolored flag was hoisted in the midnight of Independence Day with great pride. The top saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The middle white indicates the peace and truth with Dharmachakra. And the bottom green color indicates the fortitude and auspiciousness of the country. Today, everyone from all parts of the country is chanting slogans with great pride and energy. This is indeed the pride of freedom and love for the country. So, a small message to all the youth of today's generation is to be united. Unity, we stand, divided we fall. In unity there lies the strength. Therefore, we have to be united for the better future of our country. A saying of Chandrasekhar Azad is, if yet your blood does not rage, then it is the water that flows in your veins. For what? The flush of youth, if it is not the service to the motherland. And also, I remember the famous quote of Romain Rolland. He said that if there is one place in the face of this earth where the dreams of all living men have found a home from very earliest days, that is India. Finally, I end up by saying a small quote to the youth of today's generation written by Rabindranath Tagore is that they may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body,